Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2010 Harley Davidson Sportster Nightster in vivid black. So this bike has a lot done to it. We've got the handlebars and mirrors. Really cool graphic painted on the gas tank. We have intake, exhaust, foot pegs, really nice Lucky Dave seat, and passenger backrest. Got the sideways license plate bracket, derby cover. This bike is little, but it is a ton of fun to ride. And that's all on the 1200 engine. Again, 2010 Sportster Nightster. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.